My name is Wahaj Ghauri. I am an undergrad. I am studying economics from the University of Karachi. I live in Karachi in Pakistan. I am a full-time student. So I want to tell you guys that this internship program goes really well for me. I learned a lot of things regarding my specific platform which I have applied for. Before this, I didn't know much thing about the Power BI, but after I've selected, I really learned a lot of things because the exhibition basically provides you a learning path. It's also provide you some multiple resources as well as their own resources, and they help you along the way. So it was a quite really satisfying journey for me. I learned a lot of things along the way. And the second thing I really like about this program is that it's a self-paced program. So you have to work on your own schedule and as as you prefer. So I really like that. For being a student, you don't have to be juggling between multiple tasks and do multitasking because my personal belief is that multitasking is a productivity killer. So I really enjoyed a lot the process, and I hope there will be more programs like this in the future. And I personally believe that Axel Basement should launch a paid internship program also, so it will be more beneficial for us and it will be more exciting. So Axel Basement, you guys are awesome. Thank you very much.